there is a constant pressure on students or on researchers for writing, for publishing papers. So I'll suggest that we should have a research team, because the discussions that we carry with others, the students that are there in your forum, so they really help you out in understand, or in telling you are not able to think that way. So the people that they are around you, they are doing research, and maybe they may research in different fields also, so they may help you in some way. They may guide you as a third person, they may guide you. I'll share one of my experience when I was a scholar at University of Delhi. So my supervisor used to have a discussion with all of us, like if it is my topic, then everyone else has to sit in my discussion. So he used to call different domain professor of different domain also. So they did not know about my topic or any of the thing, but the basic knowledge is already there in everyone's mind. So there's one paper in which I optimize the warranty length. I still remember. So those third party people, they came into my discussion, and they helped me out in finding some sort of the difficulties that I was facing, and I corrected them. And it is one of the most cited paper of mine currently. So yes, the collaborations, research collaborations, the discussions, they really help the researchers to upward their research. And one more thing I would like to say, like the conferences, now we are also a part of this conference. So attend as many conferences or workshop you can, because it really updates you with the current phenomenal things that are happening around. And when you make collaborations, then you really feel that you are rising in your particular field.